an atheist say no one really believes. 'Cause if it was good news, they tell everyone they see. I'm done being afraid to speak of the name of the one that has saved my soul. No, I'm not ashamed, I follow the way, far past my comfort zone. Make heaven cry.